Welcome to Buy Smart. In this video, we're comparing two of the most popular snow blowers on the market: the Greenworks Pro 80 volts 20-inch cordless brushless snow blower and the SnowJoe 24V-X2-SB15 48-volt iON plus cordless snow blower kit. Both products have their advantages, but which one is really the better buy? Let's find out. The Greenworks Pro 80 volts has a lightweight, easy-to-maneuver design. It weighs in at only 42.9 pounds, so you can easily transport it from place to place. The SnowJoe 24V-X2-SB15 is slightly heavier at 53.3 pounds due to its larger size and power, making it not quite as portable. The Greenworks Pro 80 volts offers an 80 volts battery that provides up to 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge. On the other hand, the SnowJoe 24V-X2-SB15 has a dual battery system with two 4.0Ah lithium-ion batteries that provide up to 80 minutes of runtime. That extra power makes the SnowJoe more suitable for tackling a larger area. The Greenworks Pro 80 volts has a clearing width of 20 inches and a clearing depth of 15 inches, making it ideal for removing snow from sidewalks and patios. The SnowJoe 24V-X2-SB15 has a clearing width of 15 inches and a clearing depth of 6 inches, making it great for larger decks and driveways. The Greenworks Pro 80 volts boasts a 180-degree rotating chute that allows you to throw snow up to 20 feet in the desired direction. The SnowJoe 24V-X2-SB15 also features a 180-degree rotating chute that can throw snow up to 25 feet. That extra range makes the SnowJoe better suited for use in large open spaces. So which snowblower is the better buy? Each product offers its own unique strengths and weaknesses. Ultimately, the choice is up to you. We hope you found this comparison video helpful in finding your perfect snowblower this season. Thanks for watching Buy Smart.